guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing okay. Happy weekend. What are you guys doing this weekend? I am crafting, coloring, packing orders. I have a sale going on right now in the shop. The coupon code Crafty Therapy gets you 20% off this weekend. It'll end on Monday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. That code is not valid with another offer. So you'll have to manually put the free gift into your shopping cart if you do spend $60. All these little pictures here that you see are images that I colored for the coloring challenge on Instagram by Kathy Rack. So every day I'm coloring something for that challenge. So my little images are adding up. These are just some of them that I did. So you can see all the photos on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram. So I'll turn these into cards. This one's a Not Too Shabby stamp. Sweet surprises. That cute. And then this is another Not Too Shabby stamp. Happiness in a mug. This is Stamping Bella one. Just something that I drew up. Little Easter peep frappuccino. And that's Darcy's sentiment. Got some lawn fawn. I like this one. I thought he had a little smirky smile, and I'm like, let's make him look like he painted his little friend there and the Easter egg to somebody special. Thought that was fun. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly. You know what else I'm doing? I am watching a live hop. It's really fun. It's called A World of Art. So the first one on the hop was Justin Hoovey and then Tiffany Solario. And I'm working my way through the live hop, which is really fun. And I had just won something on Tiffany's live. So that is super, super fun. A lot of them are giving away prizes at the end, which is a nice surprise. It's really, really fun because it's live. It's in a live hop. So there's still time to check it out. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just sitting and crafting and watching some crafty friends on the YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoy the weekend, and I will talk to you real soon. Take care, guys. Bye.